Okay, so in this video, check this out. GMX and Ethereum, we can yield farming for 620%. How the heck is this real? Look at that, 620%, and it is not extremely crazy narrow range, all right? So that's crazy. Now let's go and let's explore how we can make some money in PENDLE, Ethereum, how we can provide liquidity, yield farming in the DeFi space, also how we can provide liquidity for GMX and Ethereum on Arbitrum network. So follow full this video. I'm going to follow you. I'm going to explain you step by step how we can farm and how we can earn yield farming. So welcome back. Now this is Cryptophil and let's see what's happening. So Camelot is one of the DEX. This is not sponsored, right? But I like and I use Camelot. It's a decentralized exchange on Arbitrum network, and I'm using for the last couple of months. But in the last couple of weeks, I've been farming some crazy gems. Okay, so especially now when the market went up a little bit, I'm happy bunny. So this is Camelot and this is the V3 decentralized exchange. So if you go to CoinGecko, right now the market is in green in the last 48-72 hours. It depends when you watch this video. Okay, so don't forget, yield farming is one of the best way to make passive income. We can use our crypto to make daily cash flow. So that's the whole point from yield farming, using the money, the crypto, to make cash flow, using that cash flow every day, because we need to learn to make this as a business. Okay, that's the whole point. There are going to be many videos like, is it better to hold or to do yield farming? I believe the best is to do both worlds. Why? Because holding your tokens, when the price shoot up, you just gain more money in your tokens, but you gain real money if you sell the tokens on all-time high. But you never know when will be all-time high. Like me, like you, nobody know. But having the tokens and make them to work for you, well, that's totally different things. Now let's go back and let's explore about Camelot, about GMX, and also PENDLE, because this video will be extremely too long. So let's just, in a nutshell, go to the DeFi Llama and go and check 2 chains. You will see Arbitrum is number 4 with over 2.7 billion in trading volume. If you go and press on Arbitrum, you will see the Camelot is number 7 of the DEXs, or the DEXs is number 2. We have Uniswap, what have 293 trading volume, okay, total volume locked, and we have Camelot with 100 million. What is big money, to be honest, if you ask me. Okay, and this is right here on, if you press on Camelot, you will see total value locked 100 million, and this is very correct, I believe. And also we have 24 hours, 40 million bucks. Okay, the fees revenue, let me see, it was I think it was 50,000 bucks for fees somewhere. Fees analyzed, that's 22 million, different, doesn't matter. All right, so let's go back. So the whole point is, when you go, it's to earn some percentage of that fee. Okay, so first let's go for the PENDLE. If you go for the PENDLE is extremely great token, and it shoot up in the last 24 hours a little bit more. Why I like PENDLE? Because look, whoever bought here in October around 70-80 cents, you are happy bunny now, but then blow up all the way up to $7 and then drop down to 392. So that's what I got in, around 420, 440. That's when I got in, because I think, for me, again, this is my personal opinion, by the way, don't forget that right here, nothing here is financial advice. Do your research and make sure you don't only put risk capital, because this is crypto and you can lose everything. Okay, so let's go back. So I believe PENDLE, for me, it's a great token to hold. That's the first rule when you do yield farming. So what you need to do, go to the Camelot, okay, go here and check, what you need to do is go to earn, go to pools, okay, and then you will see all the pools what they have, and this is the projected APR. Sorry, this is in dark mode because I cannot find they have a light mode, daytime mode. I don't know why. I love daytime, not dark one, but it is what it is. No, doesn't show. Okay, so check this out. Let's go first for PENDLE. And if you go down for the second page, you can type here PENDLE, but I'm going to go step by step. Right here, PENDLE and Ethereum. How much we can earn? Here it says 125% for the last 7 days. Go here, create position, and then before you create position, you need to go here to the DEX screen and you need to open PENDLE and US and WETH on Camelot, right? So this is on 4 hours chart, and make sure you click here on WETH, okay? Because that's what you want to see. And here you can put about like range size, what range you think will be good, because this is concentrate liquidity pools, okay? It's not set and forget, it's concentrate. So you need to set certain range where you're going to earn your fees. Make sure you understand the impermanent loss, okay? Because there are a few things you need to know. However, we are not talking about that here in this video, but let's talk and find some nice range. So if we think this is the bottom of what's been for the last almost 2 months, so about 00134, and this is the top around right here, I will say 0016. So if you scroll just one line, okay, right here, one, and then if you put one more right here on the top, okay, let's right here, and this is the percentage where we can play around, okay? So in a nutshell, we're going to have around 22% up and down, okay? So between 00136 till 166. If you go to Camelot, and if you want just to create position, you can go automatically, go narrow, go common, or just set up your position. So 0014 we says 136, and you can put here 136. You can just correct 136, and here we says 100162. All right, so this will be, sorry, my mistake, this will be 1669. Okay, that's very close, so will be 169. I will just put a little bit up. Okay, so we talk about 14% down and 6% up, and that's, let's say we want to go to this one. And what you need to do is, when you click here, is going to show you right here how much projected you're going to get. So projected APR is 221% on this range. That's 20% down and up and down. Okay, so in this range you're going to earn around 220%, and that's going to go up and down. It depends of the day. Okay, so that's how you earn. But in the last 7 days, average is 125% APR, and this is crazy. Okay, because you're earning in both tokens. Okay, now let's go and check the GMX. So GMX, why I went in. First, I like the token, I like what they're doing. And if you see the price from GMX, if you go to all-time high, was around 92 bucks, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, 90 bucks, and now it's $30. Okay, it went down all the way, so hit the bottom right here around 24, 26, 27, and now it's only 29. So from I think, according to me, this is here nice, have some nice floor, so I believe it's going to go up. And if you go right here with GMX and WETH on Camelot, this is on DeFi Llama, make sure you press here on WETH, and here you will see my range will be from right here, this line. So I'll put right here, this is from 13th of April all the way. Okay, if I put the range right here, okay, and if I bottom range, and if I put the top range right here, I have between let me see, 008 we talk about till 0010. Okay, and let's go and let's find out. Okay, go to earn, go to pools. Okay, make sure you have a ledger or anything wherever you use just to make safe, and this will be on your page number 3, and here you will see I'm farming this one, and on the page number 3, I believe, there we go, I'm also farming GMX. On the GMX, look how much I'm earning in this moment, 581% APR. That's crazy. But if you want to open new position, okay, and if we say, if you just go and open, just go to narrow, that's 5% up and down, and let's see how much projected we're going to have. 855% APR. Isn't this crazy? This is for this moment. Again, don't think this will be forever, but in the last 7 days the APR is 220%. That's why I went into this pool. okay? That's one of the reasons why I went here, because the APR is crazy. I like GMX, I like Ethereum, and I think both are good to hold for the long run. But let's be more pessimistic. Go to common range, and that's 7 with 7 up and down. You're still earning 600% APR. Go to wide range, 11% up and 11% down. You're earning 400% APR. Isn't this crazy? But what about if I put this line here, 008, and we talk about 001. So down will be 008. So go and change here to GMX. There we go. So I'll put 008. So let me be extremely passive, and 0010. Here, in this case, we're going to earn 370% APR. In this range, I feel quite comfortable if I set this range. Now, we don't know what will be the price, but with this wide range here, what we have, let me just see. Oops, sorry. This one was, no, the wrong one. This one. So let's see, with this wide range, what we have from 30% wide range, nice range. I think it's not completely wide like crazy, but 30% up and down, we talking about good, what was 370% APR. And this is how you can earn your crazy APR. Okay, and that's about it. That's going to do for this video. Make sure you let me in the comments what pools, what tokens you want me to check for yield farming. If you have any specific DEX, if you have any specific tokens, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure you join my free Telegram, Twitter, and Instagram just to get all the notifications. Thank you so much. God bless, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.